everybody, it's cocktail time, and today we're making a drink called the Snowstorm. So for that, into your shaker is 3 ounces of white cranberry juice, 2 ounces of vodka, 3/4 of lemon juice, and 1/2 of simple syrup. So we're gonna put that all into our shaker, and we're gonna give it a really good shake. Oh, hold on. We're gonna make it special. We're gonna add some glitter because everybody deserves to shine, even your cocktail. All right, throw that in there. Now we're gonna give it a good shake. Now we're making this cocktail because we're getting a snowstorm this weekend. So when you're trapped in the house, I don't know, maybe you wanna try it. This can be up or on the rocks. We are choosing to put it up. So we're gonna make it nice and cold because warm drinks suck. All right, get that nice and cold. This is not for me, so I'm gonna do that for the drinker, and this for me, into my little tasting glass. And there you have a snowstorm. Cheers.